5 steps to lose 5 kgs with Indian keto in 2024. Losing the first 5 kgs is pretty easy as you are going to lose your water weight first. Hey everyone, ready to kickstart your 2024 fitness goals? Then let's dive deep into the Indian healthy keto way to lose those first 5 kgs. Step number 1, intermittent fasting. Start with intermittent fasting to boost your ketosis. This is one of the free tools which is available for weight loss. Eating in a specific window helps burn fat effectively. Start with 16 to 8 window, that is 16 hours of fasting and 8 hours of eating window. Step number 2, choose good healthy fats. Opt for healthy fats like butter, ghee, coconut oil, nuts and olive oil. They keep you full and support your keto journey. Step number 3, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. No matter what, water is the key. Keep sipping throughout the day to stay hydrated and aid your metabolism. Just keep that water bottle with you always. Step number 4, prioritize quality sleep. Quality sleep is crucial. In fact, this is the time you're going to lose that weight. It helps regulate hormones and also supports your weight loss. Try to sleep for at least 7 to 8 hours. Step number 5, choose low carb foods. Load up on low carb foods like veggies, proteins with fat, berries, and keto rotis to stay in ketosis. Get started today, guys. Follow these steps, stick to the plan, and watch those kilos melt away. Cheers to a healthier you in 2024. Remember, it's not just the diet, it's the lifestyle that makes a difference.